Hey, let's get real. QA engineers are under more pressure now than ever. From people I speak with, they tell me their company's budgets are even tighter than ever and expectations are higher, and somehow they're asked to do even more with even less. But what if I told you there's a way not only to keep up, but to secure your role as the go-to expert in your organization? And that's why the folks at ZAPTEST wanted me to let you know about their new REC Studio, which is powered by their ZAPTEST.AI one-click process. And after seeing a bunch of in-depth demos and speaking with their founder, Alex Zapp, I've learned that this is not your dad's record and playback. In fact, I tried to convince Alex not to call it record and playback because it had such a bad connotation. But he's shown me that this is a full-blown AI-driven transformation of how testing gets done. So think record and playback reimagined with AI, making the dream of record and playback true in 2025. So one click, that's it. And here's why I think it's really cool. While you're doing your normal testing, in the background, every click, every keyboard, every step, Record Studio is quietly building an automated script for you. No extra work, no coding, no translation step, just tests like you normally would. And the automation automatically gets done. And using a tool like this helps you to focus more on high-level testing tasks rather than low-level coding activities that, to be honest, AI is better than probably you and your developers are. And for QA engineers, it's not just a productivity boost, it's what I think could be job security. Why? Well, hear me out. Because with a solution like OneClick, you're giving your entire organization the power to deliver more with fewer resources. Because I think if you take this approach, your organization is going to see you as a leader who saves time, cuts cost, and proves QA isn't a cost center. It's the engine of efficiency for your organization. And from my experience, companies only really care about two things when it comes to AI. One, does it save time? And two, does it generate more revenue/save money? And in this case, the answer is yes to both. So think about it. Companies that embrace automation survive. Companies that don't, well, you know. And QA engineers who adopt one-click automation, they become indispensable. And don't worry, I hear it all the time. Will it replace me? No, not being replaced. You're just the one holding the keys, and you become the leader you were meant to be in your organizations. And as I mentioned, the new REC Studio makes it dead simple. There's a slick new interface, smarter capture, smooth playback. You record once, and with just one click, you get a reusable, automation-ready blueprint of your process. They also have something called Plan Studio that then takes it up to a whole another level by helping you organize it, parameterizes it, builds your structured test cases. Before you know it, you'll get a fully executable script ready to run, and more importantly, ready to scale. And here's the number one secret a lot of people don't realize. It's not just about testing anymore. It's about showing leadership you can do more with less without burning out. And that's how QA engineers secure their position in a world where efficiency is everything. And tools like this allow you to focus on any type of process that can be automated to help your business save time and money. So if you're still testing like it's 2005, this is your wake-up call. You need to start embracing AI, and one way to do it is to try a tool like REC Studio with their one-click process and see if it can actually upgrade and turn your QA into a competitive advantage. And as I always say, seeing is believing. You need to try it for yourself and then let me know your thoughts. So check it out using that special link down below. And while you're there, also make sure to chat live with their Alex Zapp avatar. It's always on, always ready. You can ask it anything, anytime. And as always, test everything and keep the good. Cheers.